Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok maximum number of attempts reached error. So if you're getting this error, first you want to go ahead to your settings, and on settings you want to scroll down to the general. On general, press on iPhone storage, and on iPhone storage you want to go ahead and find your TikTok application. Press on it and press offload the app. Offload, and after it will offload, you're gonna click reinstall the app. Now, after you will reinstall the application, you can go back. If you are using Wi-Fi, turn it off and use your mobile cellular data. If you are using mobile internet, then you're gonna choose Wi-Fi. Now, if none of that worked, you want to go ahead and toggle on AirPlay mode for a few seconds and then turn it back off. And now after this, you should be able to enter your password again. Now, if that still didn't work, you want to go ahead and remove the application and delete the app. And after that, reinstall it from the App Store. And that will definitely fix your problem. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.